This video is about how can we use the Flutter logo in our Flutter application. So let's just write the code for it without wasting our time. So it is really simple. You have to write the one line code for the Flutter logo. So let me use the property of body in our scaffold, and I want to put my Flutter logo into the center, and in the center for the Flutter logo you have to write the Flutter logo. Alright, okay, let me just show you the properties of the Flutter logo. Alright, you can give it a size, you can give it a text color, the logo style. There are the 2 or 3 different types of the logo style in it. I will be showing it to you, and we have the 2 different property, the duration and the curve property. Duration and the curve property, you know, they can only be used they can be used when you want to animate something or give it a kind of motion thing. So it won't have any effect if you just want to show a plain Flutter logo. Alright, so let me just write the code for the Flutter logo. Now I have to give it a size. Okay, I want to give it 100. Alright, now we have the Flutter logo in front of us in the center of our Flutter application, and we will also be using the style property to give a different style to our Flutter logo. Okay, I want to give
Flutter logo, okay, style
dot. Okay, now you can see that we have the 3 different styles. Okay, let me just try each one of it. So the default one is the mark only. So when you just write the mark only, it won't have any effect because we have the default value of the Flutter logo style as a mark only. Okay, but we can also use the other properties. I want to go with the horizontal. That's how it looks. Okay, and now I want to go for the staked property, which I like most. So this is how your Flutter logo looks, and this is how you can style it into the 3 different, you know, the forms. And I guess we can go for the text color. Okay, for the text color you have to write the colors dot. Okay, I want to have a blue color, so let's just try this out and see its difference. Okay, now you can see that the text Flutter have the blue color now. So we have used the 3 different properties of our Flutter logo: the size property and the style property and the text color property. And we are not using the 2 properties. The one is duration and the second one was the curve, because they are associated with the animation, the motion thing. So we are not having any motion, we are not doing any motion kind of thing or animation kind of thing here, so we won't be using it in this video. So this is all for this video. If you really find it useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.